Is it okay, sir?
Okay, fine. Start.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Harika, bearing roll number 21011A016. I'm from Metallurgy Department. My topic is Introduction to the Economics of Energy, how the economic system determines production and consumption. The contents I'm going to discuss in this topic are Introduction to the Energy Economics, what is it, why it matters, the economic system and its types, how the economic system determines production and consumption, market command and mixed economy, key factors, and conclusion. Introduction to the economic energy. Firstly, what is the economic energy? In simple terms, we can say economic energy is all the forces that make an economy to work and grow. Economic energy refers to the driving forces that fuel economic activity, including human capital, like skills, knowledge, and labor of individuals, natural resources like land, minerals, and energy sources, capital goods, tools, machinery, infrastructure used in production, technology. The technology is used for improving innovations and knowledge. Entrepreneurship, as we know, entrepreneurship is the drive to innovate and take risk in business. Here we can say energy economics is a fascinating and crucial field that explores the integrated relationship between energy and the economic. It dwells into how we produce, distribute, and consume energy, and it shows the impact on our activities like economic and environmental impact. What is it? Yeah, we can say energy economics as a bridge between energy and economics. It is used to examine how energy resources are used to fuel economic activity and how economic forces shape energy markets. And it is used for the analyzing the energy landscape. It means to investigate the entire energy supply chain from the extraction of raw materials like oil, coal, natural gas for the generation of electricity and for the consumption of energy by households, businesses, and industries. And it's also used for the understanding of economic implications. Energy economics explores how energy prices, availability, and policies affect economic growth, productivity, trade, and even geopolitical relationships. And why this matters means we can say energy is the fundamental to this modern life. Energy decisions are have far-reaching consequences. The energy landscape is changing rapidly. What is the economic system? An economic system is the way our society organizes production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. An economic system is used for to answer the fundamental questions like what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. There are some types of economic system. The major types are market economy, command economy, and mixed economy. How the economic system determines production and consumption. Firstly, we discuss about what is what is production and consumption. The production is the process of creating goods and services using the economic energy. The factors of this production are land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and consumption. The consumption is the use of goods and services to satisfy our needs and wants. It is driven by consumer preferences, economic levels, prices of goods and services. The energy economics determines production and consumption is refers to the study of how the energy is produced from various sources and utilized by consumers. We can consider here the economic factors like cost, efficiency, and market dynamics that influence both the generation and usage of energy across the different sectors like households, industries, and transportation, with the goal of optimizing energy uh, usage of while minimizing the cost and environmental impact. Here we can discuss the economic systems, the different types of economic system, how the production and consumption can occur. Firstly, the market economy. It's simply known as capitalism. This market economy is driven by supply and demand. Uh, Firstly, we know about the supply and demand. Before discussing about supply and demand, there are two category of persons in the society. Those are consumers and producers. The consumers decide what to buy, that is known as demand, and the producer decide what to make, that is supply. And among these, the prices here acting as signals. And this market economy owners are individuals and businessmen who are present in our society. The businesses compete to offer the best products with the attractive prices in the markets. The market economy, in this market economy, the government role is very primarily to protect the property rights and enforces the people's right. And how this market economy determines production and consumption means in this production, businesses are used to produce the goods and services that the businessmen believe that consumers want to aim the maximize profits. The demand for a product is high, then the producers will increase the production. The consumption in this market economy are consumers can make their choices based on their preferences like economic levels, prices of goods. And the simple logic here is if the prices of the goods are higher, then it decreases the consumption. If the prices are lower of the product, then it increases the consumption. It's simple thing. And the second one is command economy. We can say it as a communism. In this command economy, the government owns the production completely, and government only makes what to produce, how to produce, and who get these products. And the government creates a plan that sets production targets and allocates resources to the people. The consumer's choice is very limited here because the government only decides what to produce and which type of goods need to be available in the market. And how this command economy determine production and consumption. In this production, the government sets production quotas for various goods and services to prioritize which type of people need to get these products and services. And consumption is the government may distribute goods and services based on the need and other criteria of the people. And third one is mixed economy. As the name itself says, it is a combination of market and command economies. And the government plays a role in regulating markets, providing public goods, and addressing market failures. In this, the government can extend this economy to the various countries. How this mixed economy determines production and consumption. In this production, businesses respond to consumer demand, but also government has the influence for providing regulation, subsidies, and providing public goods. And consumption, consumers have choices in the market, but the government may also provide social safety needs, influencing consumers to patterns through taxes or public awareness campaigns. The key factors influencing production and consumption in all these economic systems are resource availability. Firstly, we say resource availability, the availability of natural resources like human capital, capital goods, entrepreneurship. Secondly, we say technology. Technological advancements can improve efficiency and create new products, which influences both production and consumption. Third one is consumer preferences. The changes in taste and preferences drive to the demand and influence the production. Income levels. Income affects the consumer spending and overall demand. The prices. As we discussed above, prices act as signals influencing both production decisions and consumer choices. And the main factor is a government policy. Government produces taxes, regulations, and government spending can significantly impact production and consumption. The conclusion of my topic is economic energy fuels the production and consumption of entire goods and services within each economic system. Understanding these concepts is very, very crucial for how the society is allocating resources and using these resources, as it really meeting the needs of the citizens. That's all about my